Hello everyone. So if you need to free up space but you don't want to delete any apps from your Android phone, here's how to do that. So at the first step, let's locate our Files app. On each Android phone it may be called differently. On something it's called My Files. So let's open it up. After that, let's tap at the bottom and let's tap on Manage Storage. So here you'll see the storage, the use storage, and the free storage, and the categories. So as you see, I have a lot of videos, some installation files, and some images. After that, scroll down and you'll see the trash section. So here, if you're going to tap on each trash section, you would be able to clean the trash and clean off some memory. So simply choose the files, either restore them like I just did, or you can wipe off them completely. So simply press delete at the bottom, confirm and choose by pressing delete, and then go back. And you can do this with all of the trash catalogs basically. So let's delete it as well. And now there are no trash. Also, there is a duplicate file section. So all the files which are duplicated will be here. So choose one which you don't need, press delete file, confirm your choice. Also, you have some larger files which are over 100 megabyte. Once again, if you don't need some of them, maybe it's like an old video which you already have on your Google Drive or something, you can delete it as well. And as the next step, well, let's talk about messengers, because people use messengers a lot nowadays, right? It's main source of our communication, and it caches up a lot of memory which you may not even know about. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, just scroll down to your apps section. Here in apps, locate your favorite messenger which you are using the most. For example, for me it's Telegram. So locate the Telegram. After that, let's tap on storage, and here press clear cache. Now the cache is cleared. Sometimes it can be like gigabytes, it can be 1,000 of megabytes which are just dusting off on your phone's memory. And let's talk about the second thing with the messengers, which is kind of important, is the cache management. You can clean it off, of course, but at the first point we can stop some unnecessary and unwanted files from coming into our system. So first of all, open up the messenger, Telegram or WhatsApp, whatever you're using, and all of them, if you're gonna open up their settings, of course, we'll have data and storage section. There, you would be able to control automatic media download. So, for example, I don't want my photos to be downloaded at all. I can simply turn off when using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi. So now nothing is getting auto-downloaded. Once again, you can tap on it, you can control it, you can control the data usage. It depends on your messenger actually, but the idea is basically the same. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.